What is up, guys? Today I'll be installing a carbon fiber front lip on my C63. Already kind of part way through. Had to drill some holes in the bumper and get it on properly. I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing and how the final product will look. Alright, so I got this lip from Suvneer a few months back. It is called a Black Series style lip. They have it on their website. If it says out of stock, you can go ahead and ask Gary on Instagram. He runs the Suvneer Instagram account and he runs, I think, all of Suvneer. So if you ask him if he has it in stock, I'm sure he does. He can find basically anything you want in carbon fiber. He's a really cool guy. So shout out to Gary. But I installed this a few months back with some 3M trim tape. Let's just say it wasn't working out very well on the very edges. So I'm revisiting it today with some self-tapping screws. You can see I got these from Ace today. The reason why I waited so long to properly install this now kind of more permanently is that I kind of wanted to see what my friends had done. So I have a couple friends who have the same front lip as well. I'm also from Suvneer, and they actually left on their center black piece, and they seem to be fitting just fine. And they use self-tapping screws all the way across the bottom. Now I do want to avoid doing that, like I said, but I do believe it's going to be a much better fitment. I'm going to put another screw on this side and kind of push this flat, and then I'll put a screw over here. Again, it really should not be visible. Also, one thing to note is that this stuff is pretty malleable with heat, so if you heat gun laying around and you're having some trouble fitting it, what you can do is apply some heat to kind of get it to bend around certain corners a little better. Now, do be careful, because what can happen is if the carbon fiber becomes too malleable, it can actually damage the clear coat and it'll mess it up. You don't want to have that happen. So yeah, all I've done so far is kind of mounted it up, and I put two of the self-tappers with some washers right there, one there and then one over there. I'm just gonna put one screw on this side, push it in, same thing on that side, and I'll be back with you guys when it's done. Check that out, the front lip is looking awesome. It is perfectly on the car. It looks almost OEM plus, which is what I really want for this car, and it's fitting really well on the edges, as you can see. Same on this side over here. Oh yeah. And before I show you guys those pics, be sure to check out Suvneer, check out their carbon goodies. They got some really cool stuff for the C63 and a bunch of other cars, so just feel free to check them out. They got some really good stuff, the best prices, so yeah. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe for more AMG content, including some retrofits like this Android screen right over here. And that's it for this video. Peace out.